Now we'll go over the sound library. I recommend that you go here pretty much as soon as you start Logic. That way you can install all the sounds that come with it. So here under the sound library menu, you can see it says download essential sounds and download all available sounds. Then you've got reinstall sound library and the sound library manager. So let's just open up the manager. Now here in the manager, you can see all the different sound packs. And you can see the size of the sound packs and if they've been installed or if they're incomplete. So for mine, you can see that most of them are installed, but there are some that are incomplete, like these Apple loops, for example. So I can go in here, see specific Apple loops, just click on certain ones that I might want to have installed. For this one, Electro House is missing, incomplete. It's 210. I'll go ahead and do that. So I'll hit install. Now it prompts me for my password. And then now in the background, it's installing. But for those of you that want everything, you can just check everything or click select all uninstalled. In my case, I have some things installed, but in your case, you might have everything checked and then just hit the install button.